On many crochet channels, you will find tips on how to keep your color change lines straight in tapestry crochets instead of leaning to the right. In this video, I decided to test 6 different ways of making single crochet to see which one works best for my Motila Vayu back patterns. As you probably know, I designed tapestry crochet patterns which are available on my new platform. So let's get started. I crochet everything in the round in a spiral. Method 1, light orange and dark gray for letter A. First, the traditional single crochet, and over, insert into both loops, yarn over again. Let's make part of the letter A with this method. After just a few rounds, we can see the pattern leans to the right. If you are left-handed, it will be probably lean to the left. Method 2, light orange and dark gray for letter A. Now, same single crochet, yarn over, but this time inserting into the back loop only. After a few rounds, the pattern looks a bit different. We get horizontal ridges, which give it more texture. And the top of the letter A stays straight. Method 3, burgundy and dark gray for letter A. This time, yarn over, yarn under through both loops. Honestly, not my favorite. Yarn under makes the stitch harder to pull through, the thread splits and it splits off the hook, and the pattern still leans just like before. Well, I managed to get halfway through the A, but not fun at all. Method 4, burgundy and dark gray for letter A. Now back loop only, yarn over, yarn under. Oh wow, this is even worse. The work is 3 times slower, stitches keep slipping, yarn splits, everything tightens up. I only managed 2 rounds. The letter looks tighter, but the process is so frustrating. I gave up before finishing. Method 5, dark gray and burgundy for letter A. Next, both loop but yarn under first, then yarn over. This one feels better, smoother, faster, definitely easier to work, but sadly the bottom of the A leans to the right. Method 6, dark gray and burgundy for letter A. Finally, back loop only with yarn under and yarn over. This works nicely, the stitches flow and the top of the pattern is straight. Actually, it looks even straighter than the yarn over back loop version. This one is probably my favorite. So that's 6 different ways to do single crochet tapestry crochet. Which one do you like the best? Let me know in the comments. By the way, I also tested these methods in flat crochet, working back and forth, and I noticed that there doesn't really matter if you use yarn over or yarn under yarn over, the pattern stays straight. Back loop stitches are also straight, but the fabric comes out a little taller. Thanks for watching, and if you would like to try my Motila Vayu inspired patterns, you can find them on my new platform. See you next time.